What's the meaning of coasteering? Coasteering. Coasteering.
Coasteering. Coasteering. Coasteering is an adventure activity that involves traversing along a rocky coastline. Participants typically jump into the sea from cliffs and swim through rough waters to reach their destination. This activity requires a combination of rock climbing, swimming, and cliff jumping skills. Coasteering can be a fantastic way to explore coastal environments and experience the thrill of jumping into the sea. It is also used by some conservation groups as a means of studying marine life and protecting vulnerable coastal areas. Overall, coasteering offers a unique blend of adventure, exploration, and environmental education.